Welcome everybody, welcome to Hexcelprop Marketing Services Private Limited. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and click the bell icon to receive future notifications from our channel.
Welcome everybody. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Hexcelprop. So we are back again with another video, and this time we are gonna talk about the aerospace park, KIADB Aerospace Park, Bangalore, North Bengaluru. Well, the projects that we will be discussing, it's about the apartments in KIADB. Plotted development, we'll talk about it at the last about 1 or 2 minutes. But now let us first talk about the opportunities, what the new investors who have been waiting or who are looking out to invest and get good returns out of your investment. See, as if now we all know, firstly, we all know the registration value has got increased from 1% to 2%. Now, overall, including the stamp duty and registration, is coming somewhere close to 7.65, 7, somewhere like that, 7.7, close to, right? That's one of the big news what we have recently got and announced by the Karnataka government. Now, coming back to the pre-launch options, what we have at present to invest in KIADB Aerospace. Is it the market really good to invest in aerospace? Will you whether you will get the returns on your investment? These three questions people will have. Firstly, the few projects which are getting launched or already launched. The one which is already launched is by a Kalyani developer, Living Tree. They have recently opened the premium towers of 3 BHK starting from 1.2 CR onwards, excluding other charges. Well, for Kalyani, if anybody is interested, we have given our number here, reach us. Well, now upcoming options. What do we have? How's the demand for the pre-launch projects? See, as if now we have started working for the MGR new launch that they are expected to launch, and they have already announced it in the market. Right now, they are collecting the expiration of interest for 3 BHK normal, regular, and 3 BHK Jodi apartment they have got. And the pricing is something which is attractive, I believe, yes, because the square feet is also quite large options what you will be getting here. See, 4 BHK and the larger dimension to come up in KIADB Aerospace Park was MJR, and now they are again surprisingly coming up with the larger dimensions of 3 BHKs. I mean, as if now they're collecting the 3 BHK expression of interest. Those who are interested, feel free to contact. Right, that's one of the information, and demand is there. We have started getting the proper response from the customers, positive response from the customers, investors specifically, because since this is about the pre-launch which we are discussing, right? Now, Purvankara, which is of course Provident and Purvankara both are same. Purvankara is the one who was owning the Provident. Now, Purvankara has come up. See, we have not got a proper information from Purvankara. One is the exact launch, what will be the pricing, whether this is again gonna be the ultra premium segment of Purvankara group, that they always come up with the high-end properties in the market. But since this location is Bangalore Aerospace, we are expecting the mix of the premium and luxury. But let us wait and see. There are no sign of EOE from the developer, so we are not collecting any EOE for the same. But however, if you are interested specifically to look out for Purvankara, feel free to reach us. This is the second option what we have, and the third option what we have, we are expecting DS Max to come up because a lot of inquiries we have for DS Max. We are thinking, this is what I personally think, the prices has to be a little attractive than the market. But I also think in a second way, since all developers are big, the neighborhood to DS Max is going to be Prestige, Brigade, Godrej, and of course the top builders. I think this time they might come up with something unique and something different, something luxury. But that we have to wait and see. This is my personal feedback or my personal opinion. I think ho sakta hai, right? Possibilities are there. So I think, right? That's about the pre-launch options. Whatever we have, Living Tree, they have recently launched the new phase, the new towers basically, not phase. Next, we have the MGR. They have started collecting the expiration of interest for 3 BHK upcoming 15 acres. We'll keep you updated on total land parcel, right? And third, we have the Purvankara group expected to launch very soon. We have other developers also. We have Satwa, I've got 2-3 lands here. We have Bhartiya Niku Homes land here. Recently, we got the information also from Prestige. This might be rumor. We are not we have not got the confirmed information about the Prestige, right? But we'll keep you updated on the Prestige part. But Niku Homes, Satwa, they already have a land bank here, land parcel. So definitely sooner or later, they will come up with the property here in KIADB. Now, how's the market? That's about the pre-launch options, whatever we have to discuss, and that's about the pre-launch projects, right? Now, coming back to the market situation, how is the market? Is the market same as 21, 22, 23? Generally speaking, no, the market is not like 21, 22, 23. Today's market is completely different than the market what we had, what we passed, what we left behind. Is it the good time to invest in real estate? Genuinely, anytime, anywhere, product has to be good. If you're investing in real estate, you will definitely get the returns on your investment. This is not as per the sales pitch I'm giving. Reality, see, we always need to go back, just go back 15 years. 2020, I think, to 28, 2008 or 2009, some crises were there. But again, the market picked up very well. GST came in picture, demonetization came in picture. We never seen the prices going down, right? Offers, see, builder come up with the offers. All the investors who avail the advantage, takes that offer advantage, have always got the benefit. We personally have seen the investors getting the profit, and of course we are happy that we recommend always the good product to our investors, and also to the end users, that later on you should remember us. That is what our mentality will be. Not will be, it is, right? Well, second, is the market good? We have already cleared. Market is it is okay, not very good. There is no doubt that this is a buyer's market. But pre-launches wise, or the under construction wise, if you look out, the response is good. Investors are there in the market. We have Prestige recently, which they have started collecting. I think it's the UAE window is closed for that one, the plotted development. 9,000 is the per square foot rate, already overfilled with the EOS. Merusri, see, developer, they are quoting 7,000 per square foot rate, over collected the EOIs. Eon Happy High, which is in Hoskote, 80% of the almost EOIs, I think close to about 80% we have already collected. About Eon, yes, it is also a plotted development. So this is the information what we are getting it from our sources, right? And literally the pricing, whatever these developers are offering, attractive. Yarn 4,300 base value, 7,500 for Merusri, 9,000 is for Prestige. Based on the brand value and location, the prices are different, right? People are buying it. Pre-launches specifically, under construction. Now, hope you all might have got the clarification on the market part. Investors invested in pre-launch or possession next 2-3 years after pre-launch, also a good option to look out. Or the project is under EOI stage, don't miss out. Don't always wait for the top builder to come. Let the top builder comes up. Of course, it has to be there. See, sometimes you also need to look on the what is that called? The budget part. If you have a price of 4,500 to 5,000 or 6,000 or 7,000, if you are looking out from top builder in Devanhalli, I don't think so. You will hear in future that Prestige has come up with 3,000 or 4,000 per square foot rate, right? That is not going to happen. That's past. Whatever has gone is gone. Now let us look at for today, what is there with us at present. And yes, we also need to do some of the analysis to get the returns to our investors. Well, see, for more clarification, if you are an investor watching us, reach us. We will guide you. We will definitely assist you. We have our the senior RMs who are working with us. Definitely, we will definitely try our best to get you the good product, which will definitely give you returns for sure on your investment. It's not going to be a dead investment for sure. We don't work with those type of developers where you invest today and next 6 months it reduces 10-15% or 20%. No, that's not going to happen. Now, coming back to the ready to move in product of KIADB Aerospace Park, since so okay, sorry, we have diverted ourselves to the product development, unfortunately. Now we are coming back to the KIADB Aerospace residential area. How is the rental market? There was one question recently asked by one of the viewer. I think he was asking, is the market, is the place livable? Yes. Now the location has become livable. More than 2,000 plus families are already living in Prestige and Brigade, right? Godrej is very near to handover. I think another 800-900 families will start living here. Provident, that will take time. MGR, they have promised in next 8 months. I think March is the deadline what they have given, that they will be handing over around 350 400 in between the families will be living in KDB. Next, just a span of 1 year, you will see a lot of houses will be coming. What is the super, I mean, for shopping, see, every project has its own supermarket. Prestige has its own in clubhouse. Those who are living in Prestige Finsbury Park, they are aware what I'm talking about. Brigade has recently come up with their own general store. That is the small D-Mart or Q-Mart or something like that, right? For normal necessary needs. That's one part. Now, outside market, are there any hospitals nearby? We have the hospitals nearby. We have the schools nearby. We have the colleges nearby. We have the normal market nearby. Bangalore is the town. Now, if you look at the roads of Bangalore area, it has become quite bigger now, right? The normal daily groceries, if you're looking at the vegetables or something, if you're looking at that, is nearby, not very far from your flats, not very far from KIADB Aerospace. This area is expanding. It's going like all the corner roadside areas are getting occupied by the stores, right? The general stores, the retail stores, the medical shops, everything has come up. I think one of the biggest shopping center will come up very soon, 40,000 square feet or 60,000 square feet, close to police station. There some bore work was going on. Those who regularly pass through this road, so they might, if you have observed, as you can comment on our video, I'm not getting the name of that shop. Basically, it's a very big land parcel what they have, right? We have already cleared. How's the resale and rental for this area? See, it is not fast, to be frank, not only for KIADB Aerospace Park. For the entire Bangalore, the resale market and the rental market is not fast. It is not quickly it is happening. Where you put your flat today, in next 15 days you're getting a buyer, or 1 month you're getting a tenant. Quite difficult as of today, because still the commercial area has not come up very well. Just this financial year, I think 1 month ago, the SAP Lab announced their operational from here with 4,000 employees as in phase 1. I think another 2 years or 3 years from now, we will see that the in terms of the fast moving of your units, and since the demand, the supply is more, so automatically the demand for the properties have gone down, because every investor has come up to sell out, not only from the ready to move product, even from the under construction properties, like from Provident, from Godrej phase 2, where these products will take. Even from the assets, we have got a couple of sellers. See what happens, of more of inventories are coming, so buyer is getting more options, right? So what he will think, okay, no, if not this, let me wait for another week, we'll think for the next option. We'll see if there is any other good option will come in next 3-4 days. That is what is happening. The market has slightly slow for the resale and for the rental part, because of number of flats which has come in the market for sale. This is about KIADB. The same goes with Devanhalli. The same goes with Whitefield area. It's not like the business is not happening. The business is going good, smooth. In fact, this second quarter was very good, and we still have 1 month. We'll see. This month will definitely decide how was the second quarter for this financial year. I think that's it from our side about KIADB Aerospace Park. I think we have given you the clarity on the new launch. New launch demand is huge in KIADB. That is huge in Shettigiri area, an entire whole Bangalore. If you look out, the demand for pre-launches will always be there. Investors will always be there, and demand for under construction property is okay. I mean, if I have to tell you, not very high, but decent enough for the investors. If you are looking out, look out for the pre-launch properties and or the under construction projects. Next, like what is the condition of KIADB Aerospace Park? It is growing. It is slowly growing. While it has not stopped, it has not gone depreciated. The market is stagnant now. It is not going very high, not low. Not even 1% has gone down this financial year, right? Those who are still waiting by thinking market will go down, unfortunately, if it goes down for you, it is good, but we don't think so. Any possibilities are there that market will fall. And if that was the case, then government would have not increased another 1%. They have added on the registration cost. Of course, they also need to recover on few things. Fine, we're not going on that part. Now, again, if you think that the market will go down, so I don't think so any of the developer will launch so many projects in the market, specifically in KIADB. If you talk about 2-3 projects are already in line. If we still think that market will definitely go down in 6 months because of tariff, I don't think so that will affect India, that will affect Bangalore real estate market. I don't think so. Even see, it will definitely not go down, it will not go up. That will happen for sure. The price remains here. See, there will be distressed sellers always in the market. We cannot consider a few sellers. If we have 100 sellers, 5 to 10 sellers will always be there, so they will be ready to give you below the market rate because of their financial issues, because of their self problems. We cannot I mean, definitely I'm not going to discuss here on those things. Whatever reason, they might be selling out with a very attractive rate to you. They are selling out because they are in need of money. That was the only reason. It's not like market is down, they are selling. No, that's the mentality we need to always remove. We should never think see, as you're a buyer, you will always have this mentality the market is down. As we are the sellers, as we are the advisors, we advise all the investors and home buyers to think in the other way also, right? Well, I think that's it from our side, everyone. That's about the small update which we wanted to give you on KIADB Aerospace Park. It's been a very long time where we have not given you any update on this area, our favorite zone, right? If there are any investors who are interested to look out for the plotted development close to KIADB, about 12-13 kilometers to the residential area, or 9 kilometers to the commercial zone, you may reach us. The last chance to avail the pre-launch EOI benefit, 4,300, expected to go high anytime for the new EOIs again, that is Eon Life. We are waiting for your call. Don't miss out this opportunity in plotted development. I think it took you a long time. This is a very big video. Hope you all might have enjoyed. If any information you have, if you think that we missed adding, you may reach us. We always respect the information, whatever we get from you as a viewer also. I think that's it from our side. Let us start investing in Nama Bengaluru. Have a nice day, everybody. Stay safe.
That's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. And if you have any questions, you may reach out to us. Thank you so much.